This is what she's looking like. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all know I had to represent for the respiratory therapists in the world with COVID going on today. Oh, bam! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Woo! So if you clicked on this video today, we're talking about this Bobbi Boss Gardenia wig. So I got this color that's on the stock card, and I got some things to tell you guys about this wig. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I put this wig on, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells all the way up. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this wig.
Love you now.
Guys, so we are back and we are done putting on Miss Bobbi Ball. This is the Bobbi Boss MLF379 GARDENIA. Y'all know I'll be cheesing like this when I take stuff serious, but I don't. I have the color T1B60613. This is from the Boss Lace collection. This has a 5 deep edge lace part. It does come with ear-to-ear lace, but I just went ahead and cut that off. I didn't do anything special to cut this lace, guys. I just cut it straight because the hairline to me on some of these wigs, doing zigzag and all of that or special cutting is not really necessary. So yeah, this is just basically a look wig. This wig does have a little bit of filler hairs right here, I guess, to kind of give this bang some oomph. I didn't go in with any heat. You can if you want, but there is like a little bit of like teased hair right here just to kind of, like I said, give it that look. I know I'm gonna probably end up selling this wig, so I didn't mess with it too much, and all I did was a little bit of powder on the lace and a little bit of powder in the parting space. I didn't tint the lace. I didn't do anything special. I feel like the lace was a good lace. It says it's HD. It was a pretty good lace. As far as the length, this is what she's looking like. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all know I had to represent for the respiratory therapists in the world with COVID going on today. Oh, bam! Yeah, so this is what she's looking like as far as the length goes in the front, and then in the back, this is what she's looking like. Okay, the texture of this wig is pretty much that Bobbi Boss classic silky texture. It's not too silky. This wig is in like the high $20 range depending on your site, but it is under $30, and I think it's a look. As far as the cap goes, I forgot to tell you guys about the cap. It does feel a little snug. It doesn't feel too small, but it feels a little snug. It does have that ventilated cap, so you can pull it from the back and kind of stretch it, but I think it's like just right. I don't feel like it's too small. I don't feel like it's too big. My hair isn't braided underneath this. I just have my hair slicked down, and it's fitting pretty comfortably, but you know, it's not as tight as that other Bobbi Boss wig that I reviewed, that the one with the MetaFresh cap or whatever. You know, they was trying to give it some kind of different cap, but this one doesn't feel too bad. It does say that this wig is heat safe. I don't see why you would be curling this wig. To me, when you curl synthetic wigs, it kind of loses the curl pattern. And as far as shedding and tangling goes, guys, I am running my fingers through it pretty comfortably. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but I did have to go on with some wig spray and some serum. So I feel like sometimes with these synthetic wigs, that's just what you need to do. But she feels good, y'all. She She feels good. I do like the style of this wig, believe it or not. I got this color just to, because it was on the stock card, guys. Come on. We all want to see what the stock card color looked like. And I got her, and I feel like Storm, and I feel like a magical creature with this on. I had to go ahead and put my shirt on, y'all, because I couldn't take myself serious with this wig. I could not take myself serious when I saw this color, but this is a cute, actually platinum color if you're into this. That's the beauty of wigs. You put colors on and you don't like it, you take it off. You know what I'm saying? But this is giving me life. Like, I've been cheesing the whole time with this review because of this color. The style, I probably, if I would get this wig again, I would definitely get it in a 1B. I do like the loose waves on here, and I do like how this bang is kind of like, you know, I like bangs like this. They just kind of nice feather off your face, and it has some nice layers in here. It's super duper cute, but I feel like this is a classic on and gone wig. This is one of those wigs that, you know, you need to go out and you put the wig on, maybe in a different color, but or maybe in this color if you're feeling fancy, okay? Or if you're a respiratory therapist, you know, because respiratory therapists, we jazzy. I don't know why I'm so hyped. I am so hyped. If you guys don't know, just side note, I am a respiratory therapist if you've been following me for a long time. It's stressful in the hospital, y'all. It's a lot of ventilators, a lot of things going on, but this channel helps me unwind. It helps me just be different, okay? So Miss Khrissy lets me be. It's stressful over there. We gotta take things serious in the hospital. We ain't taking it serious on the channel, okay? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think she's super cute, even though she probably will be up for sale. Make sure you check the description box below. I do sell my wigs. I review a lot of wigs on this channel, and I sell my wigs on Mercari, so definitely check that description box if it's not gone by the time you see this review. Let me know what you think about her. I think she's cute. I think she's cute, y'all. I really do think she's a look. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.